Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard kick using an easy method. First, establish a balanced and athletic stance. Your feet should be about shoulder-width apart, with your dominant foot slightly back. This initial positioning is crucial for generating maximum power and maintaining control. Remember to keep your hands up for defense. Next, focus on hip rotation, which is the engine of a powerful kick. As you initiate the kick, pivot on the ball of your supporting foot, turning your hips over. This rotation transfers energy from your lower body directly into the strike. Think of it as unwinding a spring, releasing all that stored power. For impact, aim to strike with the hardest part of your leg, typically the shin or in step, depending on the kick. Drive your leg through the target, not just to it. A strong follow-through ensures all your generated power is delivered. Don't stop your movement at the point of contact. Let it continue naturally. Finally, consistent practice is key to developing a truly hard kick. Start slowly, focusing on perfect form and technique before adding speed and power. Use a heavy bag or training pads to safely refine your impact. Regular repetition will ingrain the movements, making your kicks naturally stronger and more effective over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.